Well, how's it going today there, YouTube? Well, I got the front diff out of the big truck sitting on the workbench here. Look, you guys can tell. Oh, I figured I might pull it apart and just see what's all kind of tore up inside of it, just for a laugh. And I already drained the fluid out of it, like you guys can tell. Into my bucket of oil I got down there, so what it means to do it when it's in the truck still, but I mean, yeah, well, no big deal really. I want to see what's inside and see what's going on in the front end of this thing. I think it needs a pinion bearing, and I think one of the spider gears said was chewed up. So I'm gonna tear into it and see what's going on here. So I figured I might make a nice, neat little video for you guys. But yeah, like I said, I already got the fluid draining out of it. I'm gonna split the case. If I'm getting it on camera, I'll split the case and I'll pull the axle extension off, and maybe I'll go get the tripod, and you guys can watch me go at her. So yeah. I wish I showed you guys before I wiped it off. You see all that dark stuff on the rag there, and you see how there's still kind of some fragments looking stuff sitting on the end of the drain plug there. Drain plug's here. Let me put it down. The drain plug has a magnet on the end of it, so if the little metal chunks that wear off will stick to the magnet, and then when you switch the fluids out, the little chunks get stuck to the magnet, and then they come out. So you see, I might not pick a socket up, but you see it's got a magnet in it. So I'm just gonna thread it back in here for now, just so that we're not, making too big of a mess with the fluid and whatnot. But it is what it is anyway. I'm gonna go pull this axle stub off, and I'll see you guys shortly. Okay, so I got the axle extension off, so you just kind of pull the 5 bolts out, and a little tap with a hammer, and it'll slide out. That's how it looks down there. So basically just a shaft goes through here. This comes over to your passenger side. There's your spring for your solenoid. And then here on your axle stubs. So that gear rides inside of here. So that doesn't look too tore up. There's a little bit of wear on the outside of the spider gear here. There's a little bit here. You're on the gear, I think, on a spider gear. Usual wear there. So another neat thing, my workbench self-drains, eh? So I made a little bit of mess there, and just drained right down the bucket. There you go. Anyway, I'll get the tripod, and you guys can watch me split the case, I guess. Not quite sure what's going to happen here just yet, so I figured I'd be prepared in case I make a mess. We'll tap this housing off. Got the rag and the bucket on, that's always great. There's your case. Not too dirty. There. That's your bearing, your ring gear, pinion gears in here. There's a little bit of play in there. So, anyway, might have to pop that other axle housing off, or other axle where you bolt your CV shaft to. I have to pop that off and see if I can get this pinion or ring gear out of here and you see what's inside. So I got the carrier out. I got that axle stub out of there, and what I ended up doing, the recommended procedure they say is use a slide hammer and pop those out, but I ended up using the air hammer here with a chisel bit on the end of it, and I pushed it from the back side. I was able to get it out, but I don't see anything too exciting in here. I guess I got the ring looks alright. There's a little piece of something there, a gasket maybe. The pinion looks alright. I wanted to pop the pinion out, but I don't think I got a socket to be able to fit on the nut back here, so I'm not exactly sure what the deal is. Everything looks kind of alright. There's little bits of metal here and there, of course, but doesn't seem to look too bad. I might pull the drift pin out of here. I'll pop the center shaft out. Maybe we'll just keep on looking. That's the inside of a differential. See, there's a lot of metal chunks in there though. Nothing like major. Just regular oily schmutz is all it is. Which doesn't look too bad though, so I don't know. Maybe it's just an electronic deal. She said it was crunching when you put it in four-wheel drive, and that usually means catastrophic failure, but don't seem too bad. Well, I got the pinion out. Just took the nut off, and you gotta just take and just drive. See, the nut's a little bit oblong at the moment. Put the nut back on, and you just take the hammer and beat down on that a little bit, and the pinion will come out. The bearing looks okay on the pinion though. No unusual wear on that. Splines look alright, so I don't know, I may just put it back together. It could very well just be a little solenoid down here, but gonna have a little bit closer look. Then I think I might just seal it up, put it back together, and I might just put it back inside. So anyway, that's enough of that for one day. I'm tired of smelling gear oil and whatnot, so if you guys like this video, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.